decided to forget to not shut my fuel pump off when I filled up my diesel heater can, and it overflowed about a gallon of fuel into my bilge. Luckily the bilge pump didn't kick on, but man, made a mess. Ran down here underneath my batteries. Yeah, I'm having fun with that today. I was hoping to get a video done for you guys, but well, this is what I'm doing. Here's my video. Probably a lot of fun here. This thing on the stand. Nah. Show you what's up. See it down there. It's got a lot of water in it now. I diluted it with some Simple Green and water after I got most of it out. I think it just sucks. Here, I'll throw some diapers in there. You guys are probably wondering what diapers are, right? All you seafaring fellows know. This makes for good video. Crap. Well, that one's full. Wanted to show everybody, since my wonderful fuel spill, how these diapers work. And this is a perfect example. Well, it's a boat diaper. Well, okay, so you see how the water is just sitting on that one, and it's soaking up any fuel or anything that's still there, but it leaves the water out. So it's water resistant, but it absorbs fuel. There's one that has pulled all the fuel out of the bilge and loaded it into the diaper. And that one there is still in pretty good shape, actually. I may swap those out. I'll pull that other one out, but this one here, it's still good. I'll probably move it around in the bilge, see if I can get any more spare fuel out of there with it. And that's really it. That's how it works. Pretty amazing stuff. So just thought I'd share that with you. Walking the pug. I'm always walking the pug. I was told that this launch ramp has water, so I'm gonna go down and check it out and go see if it does. Let's go. Come on. I don't see any water spouts. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look. Public dock, 4 hours max. I don't see. Nice piece of plastic there. I don't see any water valves anywhere. So either they removed it or the guy that told me was thinking it's somewhere else. Oh well, I'll keep looking. I just walked up from the water dock, and this is one thing, that's the cleanest public bathroom. It's funny. But man, this park is really nice. The beach there with a lifeguard tower.
I know it's a little cold today, but I was thinking, you know, if I would have never sold my house, there's the Coronado Bridge. If I would have never sold my house, if I would have never got my boat or moved it out of the marina, I wouldn't be in a park. I wouldn't be looking at things. I wouldn't be checking out really cool bronze sculptures and you know, things like that. It's just really a trip. It's things that you don't do. There's something for you. John Johnson II. Badass artist, man. God. Guy knows what he's doing. Ladies? Alright. I don't know, it's just kinda cool, you know? All kinds of neat stuff around Coronado. Just gotta keep your teeth brushed. Alright, bye.
It's either gonna burn or it's gonna melt, one of the two. Ah, we got some goo on it. Maybe that will go. It seemed to give in pretty quick too. That might be good news. Where's your T-handle? You gotta have a T-handle. It actually went smoother than I thought. It's about right there, and that'll be enough to get a bite on the other side, hopefully, and melt this and get it to contact. All right. That one's tapped and done. The pug's fed. Everybody's happy. I'm just gonna try. Oh man, this is gonna be so crooked. It's gonna be horrible. You guys should have told me I was drilling crooked. I'm losing my touch, man. I'm telling you, if you're not working on hot rods and cars and stuff and whatever, like all the time, and doing like serious stuff, it slips away from you a little bit. That's okay. You just gotta keep going. Can't worry about that kind of shit, man. I mean stuff. Sorry, Mom. Low flame. It's either this or I do it over the stove, so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's fucking burning. It's on fire. How's it on fire? Oh. That's like a fucking marshmallow. Sorry, Mom. It's like I used to burn those army men when I was a kid. Alright, I'm gonna clean up my marshmallow and oh yeah. I'm gonna clean up my marshmallow and try something else. Can hear it already. Don't put it on a paper plate. It'll absorb all the chemicals in the glue and it won't hold. And to top it off, it's kind of cold. Not like sail life cold, but oh, it's cold. Hold on, buddy. We're almost there. We're almost there. Okay. Hurrying so my dog can go to the bathroom. How crazy is that? I've heard of people's dogs, like, I've got a grass pad up on the forecastle, and I've heard of people's dogs, like, you know, being okay for days and days. Not that I would ever do that to poor Puggy, because he's such a good guy. But it's funny, man. I think he's just... He gets jealous of the camera. There you go. I said it. Alright, come on. Nice and easy. that's it right there, man. Okay. That actually, that feels pretty good, guys. That's not... So, I'm going to let this set up. I think it said, you know, maybe I'll give it, maybe Puggy will give it a half hour. And we can get out of here. All right, there's one for you. Thanks. Well, we made it. That thing wouldn't set up in time. It said 4 to 6 hours. Might as well leave it for 24 because I think it said that's recommended. So I went ahead and got Big Pig out. Had to air it up, put the oars in, get it all done. That was a workout, but I'll use him to the next couple days and make sure that thing's set up, and maybe I'll have a new oar lock ordered. So we'll see what happens. All right, thanks, guys. Well, you have sand on your mouth. Well, you have sand on your mouth. Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing?